Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys what's inside my makeup kit. Now this is not my only makeup kit, and this is not what I bring every day. I have a lot of different makeup kits for different makeup looks, but these are the products that I have been using lately a lot. A lot of the products here are from Mint Potions, and Mint Potions is our own brand, so there will be a lot of Mint Potion stuff here, but these are the stuff that I really use every single day. I'm not even kidding. But before anything, I'm gonna show you guys again the view. I'll show you guys this beautiful view. This is where I'm taking video right now, and let me tell you guys, this view is breathtaking. Alright, so this is my makeup bag. I'm not really sure where I got this makeup bag, but it's really cute. It has this really huge zipper right here, but it's transparent, and I love transparent makeup kits just because you can see everything inside. It's so easy to just grab whatever. I guess the sequence is going to be how I start my makeup, so that would be foundation. So the foundation I use is the Mint Potions Full Cover Acne Treatment Concealer with tea tree oil. So I always bring with me the natural shade. I have two shades here, 02 Natural and 01 Light. I use the 02 Natural all over my face since it's more of my shade. And then to conceal my under eyes, I use the 01 Light. And these are really full coverage. They're very easy to blend, and the formula is just beautiful, super lovely blendable formula. So there's that. And then to brighten up my under eyes even more and to highlight my face, I use the Mint Potions Banana Concealer. And this is a yellow concealer, and I love this so much. I just uploaded a video about this concealer and how I use it. But yeah, I use this a lot every single day. I use this, and I'm sorry if you can hear the cars because the street is behind me. So I use this every single day, and I'm completely in love with the banana concealer. And I have like I have 4 brushes here just for retouching. You're lying down, huh?
No.
Alright. I usually bring 4 brushes with me. This one is for blush. If you clean this with a paper towel, you can just use this for basically all over your face. You can use this to powder your face, powder your nose, knock off the shine everywhere. But you can use this for highlight as well because of the shape of the brush, tapered shape. And then you can even use this to contour your face and then apply your blush with it. So this is a really good brush to carry around with you. And then we have, of course, I don't know, I brought this with me, but this is an eyeshadow brush. And again, you can use this for almost everything. You can apply this, you can use this to contour your nose. It's great. You can even use this to blend your like crease color if you want to like deepen up your crease, during the day. And yeah, and you can use this to highlight. And then I bring a spoolie brush with me. An eyebrow brush with a spoolie side. And the reason why I always bring this with me is because sometimes I rub my eyes, I scratch my face, and I rub off the brow product. And I always bring my Mint Potions brow pomade, which is this one. I usually carry with me I usually carry with me 2 shades, dark brown and dark gray. I like this brush because you can use this for your eyeliner and for your brows as well. So it's so easy to use this, and I always make sure that my brow brush is super soft like this one, but really dense and super thin, so you can make a really precise line. So I have that. And then of course I bring a powder brush with me because I retouch my face with the arrowroot powder. This is the Mint Potions arrowroot powder, and I love this powder so much. It gives my skin a really silky finish, and this is probably one of the best setting powders I've tried in my life. And this is 100% natural, so it's really a plus that there isn't a lot of harmful chemicals. And then I have a lot of things here actually. I have two mascaras. This one is not waterproof. This is the Total Temptation mascara. This is the one that I'm wearing right now. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. And I really like this because it really holds curls. Like, this is the best. This is one of the best mascaras. One of the best affordable mascaras for every day. It really holds curls, lasts long. You can't remove this with just soap and water. You definitely need to use a makeup, like oil-based makeup remover to remove this. And then I bring my contact lens case just because if I want to rest my eyes, or if ever I get something in my lens, I can always just clean it. And you always need to bring your contact lens case, especially if you're out of town. And then what else do I have here? This is another foundation that I use, and I made this one specifically for me as well. I customized this for myself, but this is another foundation that I've been using aside from the Mint Potions Full Cover Concealer. I really like this one because it's like exactly the color of my skin on my face. Like, it looks a bit dark here, but it's the same color as my skin on my face. And that's the best thing about making your own makeup is, you know, you can always customize the color and like just have the perfect color for you. And especially me, I love mixing colors, so I always get the right shade whenever I customize something for me. And then I keep a neutral palette with me just for whenever I need to amp up my look, or whenever I need to, you know, apply eyeshadow. Right now I'm not wearing a lot, but I bring my Novo My Beauty eyeshadow bright eye makeup here. It's just a really neutral palette. Alright, and then I have this Showil Perfect Powder Soft and Smooth. This is a really nice powder, really nice coverage, but this is too light, so I just use this to highlight my face. It's a really pigmented powder, as you can see. If you're looking for a powder highlight that is super affordable, I'm not sure if this is still available, but I got this a while back. I brought this with me just because it has a mirror, and I don't have like a handheld mirror with me, so yeah, I brought this just to use as a mirror. And then I have a powder blush. I bring a powder blush with me just because after setting my face with powder, I can't go in retouch with a cream blush anymore, so I have this with me. This one is from Daiso, but it has a really cute pink blush. This one has glitters, this one is matte. Then of course, another Mint Potions product. This is the Mint Potions Lady Boss Lip and Cheek Tint. This is an orangey tint. I can't wear it right now just because I already have lipstick, but it's just a straight up orange tint. I like this as well. It has like a gel formula. So yeah. And then I have another palette with me which has all my shimmers, like shimmery shades, and a glitter. So this is this very beautiful palette. And this one is the Bean Anna Moon Maiden palette. It has this like Sailor Moon inspired girl there. This has holographic glitters. This is also like a pinkish holographic glitter. These two are super shimmery shadows. You don't need a brush for this. Brush won't work for these products because they're like a cream product, so they're not really powder. This is another product that I customized for myself. Another lipstick that I made, and this is super pigmented. And again, I love terracotta shades, so here's one. This is not for sale. This is just one of my projects, and I absolutely love the shade. And then we have a used baby wipe, just half. You don't want to waste your makeup wipes too much, so sometimes I use just half. And then another blush that I customized for myself. It's a really nice pink blush. This one has a lot of coverage. It's a pink blush that has coverage, so when you apply this on your face, it's not going to rub off your foundation. It just adds more coverage and color, like a baby pink color. I'm gonna show you guys here. See, it's pink but it has coverage, so if you have spots on your face, you're gonna have like a pinkish tint on your cheeks, but it's also gonna add coverage, which is why I like it. And then here are just some of the shades that I made for myself. Again, I bring a lot, I don't know why. I already showed this in my banana concealer review, so you guys can check out the swatches there. And these are the two of the what do you call this, like cream eyeshadows that I made. They are really beautiful. I have been so obsessed with cream eyeshadows, and I made 2 shades for myself. But I'm going to be selling these soon. I'm just trying to find the perfect formula, but I have 2 shades. This one's a mauve shade, like a taupey mauve shade, and this one's just a brown. They're all shimmery and they have glitter in it. And then actually there are some brushes here. There's some more brushes here. This one is a small eyeshadow brush. You can use this to apply your shimmer. Like this, I can use this for the palette that I brought with me. And then another mini eyebrow brush. I don't know why this is here, but this is really nice if you're really trying to maximize the space of your makeup kit. Bring small brushes with you and something that has dual-ended brush like this. And then this is my favorite brush of all time. This is actually a nail art brush, but I can use this to line my eyes, apply my brow products. It really helps you make a precise line. And then lastly, I have this camera shutter thingy right here. This is super affordable from Shopee. I bring this with me because I love taking pictures, I love taking videos. So this is going to take pictures for me. Just one click. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what's in my makeup kit. I'm thinking of doing like a what's in my bag video, but right now there's really nothing interesting. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!